Welcome back everyone to the Sinex Tutorials channel. Today we will ask GPT if he can help us to code a quick BMI calculator app in Flutter. So let's ask him if he can do it. So we got the code. Now let's open Visual Studio Code and create a new project. We press Command-Shift-P on Mac and Control-Shift-P on Windows to create a brand new project. So we got our example app that Flutter provides us, and let's paste our generated code and run it. We enter our height in centimeter and our weight in kilograms and press calculate. As you can see, we got our BMI. Let's understand what our application do. So we have three variables: height, weight, and BMI. Also, these are doubles, so we can enter and we can get a more precise answer. As we can see, we have two text fields where we enter our data, and we have a button where is the logic which will calculate our BMI index. And under the button we have a text where we display the result. So this is a simple BMI calculator app we generated with the help of GPT. Also, you can generate a more complex project with GPT, what we will do in future. So if you don't want to miss out, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this short video, leave a like on this video. See you next time. Take care and have a nice Flutter practice with the help of GPT.